Oh, it's snowing, bro. Bro, that do be snow. First morning, Vancouver. It has begun to snow.
You know what? I'll put on extra shorts.
It's proper snowing, boys. It's a proper snowing. Wow. Goodness me, that's beautiful.
I feel like my butt's gonna be cold.
Sabi ni Dada, there's
That'll be cold outside.
This is my friend Ella. How old are you, Ella?
9.
She's
She's
9.
actually 34.
Really do be hailing right now.
You really do be hailing.
Wow. Look at all that hail. Cute.
yung letter M. Meron siyang nakasulat sa gitna.
In the middle?
Oh yeah, the little red thing.
Meron siyang
This is our first maccas run.
owning hand.
Da-da-da-da-da.
He's zooming.
You going real fast?
go
Going
real
real
fast,
speedy zoom.
Anyway, sausage and hash brown. Bacon and hash brown.
Can we have a look at mains? How about bagel sandwiches?
Oy,
Egg
pamili
BLT
kayo
pa.
mga dito. Today may kwan tayo. Coupon.
Coupons!
Today is the last day.
Wow! This is a medium coffee. This is a large.
Right?
What?
Bagel cinnamon, right?
Yes.
Ito bagel.
This is a medium. Big as my
Ito lang yung sa
face.
kanila.
This is as big as my face.
Bagel cinnamon.
Bagel.
Ito yung sa akin.
Big.
Tapos isang hash brown.
Look at this size.
First.
Tapos hindi lang nagsasalita yung kwan, yung examiner. Hindi siya nagaganyan. Tapos sabi niya, that's okay. Sabi ko sa akin.
Yeah, safe.
Gusto ko yung ginawa mo na hindi ka nagpa-pressure sa akin.
Turn right to Highway 1A, Highway 99A, Cookwood Lung, sir.
Time.
We're gonna go to IKEA.
Oh my gosh.
Get some lunch in IKEA. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, it's like a mall. It's basically just Westfield, except for all furniture.
Just furniture and
Just furniture.
food somehow.
Yeah. It's welcoming us.
Do we need like a trolley?
No, we don't, because we're not gonna buy. Hey. Aha.
Hey, ah, my gosh.
Welcome. It's great to see you. It's great to see you.
Hey. Hello, Madelle.
What are you doing? Welcome to my crib. See here.
Yeah, look at her house. She has signs for everything.
I do. Come on in.
Yeah,
The water's
yeah,
warm. The
yeah.
water doesn't work at all.
Yeah,
And this is my bed, guys. If you want to buy one of them, it's $60.
$60. That's really cheap. $60? I think that's for the duvet cover. Okay, here we are in our new kitchen.
This is my fridge.
Yeah.
And it's got everything I need inside.
Yeah. Tupperware.
Just Tupperware. A lot of people have been asking me about how I maintain my figure.
How do you do it? How do you do
I
it?
actually just plug myself into a charger. I don't have any intake of food.
Oh, yeah.
And this is my freezer.
Very, eco-friendly to just plug yourself in.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I don't take impossible fuel.
That is really smart. Yeah, smart Madelle.
This is my stove.
Uh-huh.
We don't use it because, as I mentioned,
okay. Because it's
I
just a
don't
touch
cook.
screen, eh? It's just actually just a TV.
This is a TV.
Yeah, this is a TV.
I watch it like this.
Yeah. Oi, this is a really cute setup, bro.
Yeah, it is. It's adorable. It's my house.
It's a living room. That was it.
It's
that
been a
was
house
it.
tour.
Welcome to my house. This is only one of my houses that I own in Vancouver. Yeah, we're on the street now. if you follow this wobbly arrow, these are my kitchen. I need more than one.
It's so nice when we can always find that jar of jelly. It's $129. Subtle flex. Very subtle. Oh, I love it.
I love it too.
They actually have content. Okay, try opening one of your drawers because we already know what's inside.
It lights up. Look at that. I totally knew that. I use my kitchen a lot.
Yes.
I hired a very good interior designer. Her name is Frances Soriano. She's very well renowned among my circles. A circle of 3.
Oh my gosh! Look at the view. Wow. So this is the view, guys. There's no one in here.
There's actually nobody in this whole thing.
Yeah, we don't have any neighbors.
Yeah.
We prefer it that way.
Yeah.
And ooh, I bet these are real vinyl. What if someone takes them? And we're alcoholics, so as you can see,
they're all nice. Oh, look at them. They're all sitting on a chair each. Oh, I like that set. That's really cute.
IKEA has a full-on restaurant. Holy moly!
This looks like an
Holy moly!
What?
You eat on the tables that they're selling.
What?
That's whack.
I don't know if I'm hungry. Afraid of something.
What are you afraid of?
What? This is what I'm afraid of.
If you're looking at the mirror dimension, oh my gosh, we need an OOTD photo every day.
So we're here with what can I start again because my fingers literally went like this.
Okay, so we're here in IKEA with Ate Rhoda. We would just like you to see the beauty of nature.
Wow, all that green.
Nature in a box.
Nature at its finest.
Wow.
The work of Jehovah's creation.
Yes. Never seen anything so natural.
So what happens is yung mga display doon, may mga, di ba mayroong form doon na you write down the item number?
Ah, okay.
So you come down here.
And did you look for it?
and you look for it.
I see, because they're all flat pack.
Actually carry it from
Yeah, self-service
Creation,
furniture.
not evolution, kids. This is where it happens.
Thanks, man. Sometimes it's nice if someone else assembles it. Don't try. Aisle 40. How many aisles? Oh my gosh. How many levels have we been on? We've been here for 3 days. We don't even own a house.
40?
I'm so overwhelmed. There's not even any tall people.
They're all short.
Oh my goodness, it keeps going. Why is this so? Where?
There's more food.
There's no window to the out. There's more food. That's
I see the outside world
insane.
because there's no windows.
Whoa. What if you can't find your way out?
No, it looks like the perfect bowl for you.
Yeah. Wash my feet.
Ends our IKEA trip. Not gonna lie, I thought it wasn't gonna end.
So nasaan na yung IKEA na sign?
Turns out there are ends.
There are ends.
Some things.
It's an amazing discovery. Look, I've got like Sahana, right? This. Number 2, Value Village. Okay, Kuya Nathan, can you tell us a little bit more about Value Village?
This is where your money has a value.
The only place.
The only place.
Yes. Yes, lovely house, lovely place. Yes.